So for completeness, let's look at the general Martin inner bound. Then we get this result here. And the more better converse is due to, or the best known converse is due to Gamal in 2006. He improved the Martin-Kerner outer bound. And here you see his outer bound here. And if you look at the inner bound, then it is known that it's tight for all classes where the capacity is known. So for the other classes, it's where it's not tight, the capacity is not known. So one doesn't know for any other classes if this is a true bound or if the outer bound is true, because these two bounds are the same for the classes where the capacity is known. So this is the best known lower bound. We talked about this. This is using binning and superposition. It was the Martin bound. And this is somehow the improvement of the outer bound we did before of Martin's outer bound. It's a small improvement of Nair and Gamal in 2006. And if you look now at the best known inner bound and the best known outer bound, then we can look at the difference exactly. You see here it's always fine. The only part where they are different is this part. And now we look at this part here and this part, which are different, and we look at the difference. And then it turns out that the difference is just the mutual information of u and v under the condition w and y2. And if this is 0, then you know the capacity, like in the degraded broadcast channel and other cases. So all classes where the capacity is known, this part here is 0. For all other classes, it's not clear. It's not clear which is the truth or which is better. So here we can summarize what is done. So Kova first introduced the broadcast channel. It was introduced by them. And he also had the idea already of superposition coding, and he uses auxiliary variable. So he introduced binning. And Martin combined these ideas to obtain the best known inner bound to the broadcast capacity. It's true until now. And the capacity region in general for two receiver broadcast channel remains unknown. So that's all about the broadcast channel. These slides are not from me, as you recognize perhaps. These are slides about from a survey talk which was given by Gamal, and he wanted to point out what is not known and where research should be done.